My name is Jessie Albertini. I'm the owner operator of Sfoglina here in Denver, Colorado. Today I'm making gochujang chicken salad on a croissant. You can buy it here. Another sandwich show. We are a pasta company that utilizes local heritage grains. We produce everything off of a brass die and slow dry it. You can find us at many restaurants for wholesale. We do this at farmers markets and specialty shops. We also do a lot of meal kits, special events, and private dinners. So you're probably wondering what I'm doing on this show. I also make sandwiches. So we get full chickens in here from a farm in Buena Vista. I break it down and then we poach it in a really flavorful poaching liquid with gochujang, soy sauce, ginger, garlic, and aromatics. Always salt your pasta water and your poaching liquid. How did that sound?
Good.
Should I do it again? Okay. And then once it's all the way poached, we cool it down, mix it with shredded purple cabbage, carrots, pickled onions that we do in-house, and a delicious gochujang tahini dressing. The gochujang dressing is delicious because, one, gochujang is so good. It is a fermented chili paste, usually seen in traditional Korean fare, but we love it here. We also have ginger, garlic, soy, QP mayo, and some vinegar in it. So really delicious. I just really like gochujang. I have an affinity for Asian flavors, and I enjoy incorporating them into what I do here. I have a shirt that says like, always al dente, never obedient. We're not an Italian restaurant. I'm classically trained. I've been a chef for 15 years. So I like pulling from the experiences I've had at different restaurants and throughout life and travels and putting it together with either pasta as a vessel, or in this case, this beautiful croissant as a vessel. So this came to me because I share a space with Moon Raccoon Baking Company. We've known each other for a really long time, and it's just a nice way to collaborate using their croissants that they make here and some of the savory stuff I do, just as a beautiful marriage of our friendship, our businesses, and just lovely. juicy. Oops. Why do it like that when you can go straight from the middle? I felt like my daughter just there. I mean, it's really craveable. You know, you see chicken salads all over that are pretty traditional, and there's nothing wrong with that. I love all chicken salads, but this one has so much great flavor and balance to it. The crispiness and sweetness of the croissant mixed with the spicy gochujang and the round savoriness of the chicken and the tahini really come together for a beautiful bite. You can buy this chicken croissant here at our Grab and Go at Moon Raccoon and Sfoglina headquarters. It's both of our headquarters. This is the best gochujang chicken salad sandwich on a croissant in all of Denver. We did eat a lot of spaghetti sandwiches growing up because we always had spaghetti and sauce, like on white bread. We could have done that one. Yeah. But it's pretty gross if you think about it now.